At this point, ain't no going back. We here now.
Music.
They just want to drop from the top of the highest, and I'm hot and will not ever stop. So the pious have to flop on the spot and kick rocks, as I decided if you knock or try to mock from my spot, then I'm sliding, man, it's up. Haters got me on my Geministic tip. That's a word that I created for my elevated twins. All this radiation glowing from my melanated skin got me closer to perfection as I lift off with the wind. I'm on 9, but it feels like I'm on 10 for the win. Carbon copies about to catch another body from my pen. Let's begin. Have you ever seen a messenger in flesh? I suggest you take it in before you try to disrespect. Like a jet, I require that propulsion when I step. Nagas think that I'm Hermes cause I'm Marvel dialect. It's a wreck if I feel that you don't come at me correct. What's a threat? I'm just building with the tribe, I'm never stressed, no contest. I'm just breathing on my reefer with the reefs. I was talking to the stars and they told me to believe he is me. Definition of the clearest symbol. What's a G? In the presence of the welcome Elohim. I treat the track like I'm greedy. It sounds easy, but believe me, it is not. On a 3D kind of level, it relieves me. Every bop is a mop, and I treat it like a frisbee. This is gone off the top of the dome. I might see your phone at home. Ain't no ET in the section, I can stop it. I'm a reddish type of chocolate. Every punchline is a rocket. I vacation like the tropics. In my mind with every topic, that's my lyrics. Get the chopping, put your feelings back in pocket, cause I'm charging like a socket. If she wanna come and chill, keep that potent like my wallet as I spark it full of thrill. What's the feels? Tribal mafia, they know we got the skills. Oscillation through the wheels, like we in the over hills. Courtesy of the council, I'ma cancel every fee if they point out your direction and have granted me the key to your destruction. Ain't no bluffing, I won't scuffle Hercules. Stretch that muscle in my head and watch you shred for my degrees, like the leaves in the fall before the autumn change the breeze. I could blame this on the soul, but the truth will still proceed. And I'm a Canaan, not rejected from the precious chosen seed. And it's time for them to go by the order and decree. It is law.